Hello gorgeous people, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great and keep your face yoga routine daily. I suggest you to use 2 or 3 or 1 of my video to work with your face every day for the best result. Today we are going to work on our forehead and also our 11 line. Without further ado, let's get started. First we are going to do tapping. You start from your head, top of your head, tapping, 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 side of your head like this, and up to the top, to the middle of your forehead, and then to the side, tapping a little bit to the side, behind your head, on your neck, on your shoulder, and also on side of your neck, on your collarbone, on your chest, up to the shoulder, and relax. How you feel? I love tapping, as you know. Let's do the second time. Tap from the top of your head like this. Keep tapping, tapping, tapping to the side, and to the forehead, from the center to the side, also to the side, and behind your head, on your neck, on your shoulder, side of your neck, in front of your chest, on your shoulder, and relax. This time we are going to work on our 11 line here. So this is you use your fingers like this, you press them on your eyebrows. At the same time you will frown like this, okay? But as you put your hands on about your eyebrows, when you frown, your eyebrow shouldn't move. You will feel the contraction, but it will stay in place, okay? I will show you. Just like this, and pull a little bit, pull back a little bit, pull back a little bit, relax your shoulder, stay straight, and then frown like this, okay? We can look a little bit sad, but it's okay. And we stay like this for 10 seconds. Now let's do with me. Relax your shoulders, stay straight, put your fingers up above your brows, and then frowns for 10 seconds. Pull them to the side a little bit and frowns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Tap a little bit. Tap, 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 tap. Do you feel the contraction? If you do, that's really good. If you don't, it's okay. Just keep doing it. And we put on your brows again. Relax your shoulders, stay straight, and frown for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Tap a little bit. I love this exercise. Let's do the last one. Put your fingers above your brows like this, and then frowns for 10 seconds. Relax your shoulder, frowns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, relax. This time we are going to lift up our forehead. You use your hand like L like this and put them along your hairline. Push them back a little bit and then look down like this, okay? And we stay for 10 seconds. Relax your shoulder, stay straight, relax your forehead, press your hand on your hairline, and then look up for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Relax yourself a little bit. If you feel tension on your shoulder, just adjust the pressure, okay? Love yourself. Let's do the second one. You put your hand on your hairline and then press them up and look down. Stay for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. It's a really simple exercises, but really effective. Let's do the last one. Put your finger along your hairline and relax your shoulders, stay straight, look down for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Tap, 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 tap. Now we are going to relax our forehead. We use our knuckle and we press on our forehead from the middle of our forehead and then slide them to the side until the eyebrows, and then you push up like this, okay? We do this 3 times. Let's do it with me. Your knuckle, put them and relax your shoulder also on your middle of your forehead and then slide them to the side until the end of your eyebrows and you push up. Good. Let's do another one. Slide to the side and then push up. This movement can improve also our sleep. Push them to the side and then push up. Good. Tap a little bit, tap a little bit. I love tapping. Let's do the second one. Same thing. Start from the center of your forehead and then slide them to the side and push them up a little bit. Another one. Slide them to the side and push them up a little bit. For the last one. Yeah, the last one. Slide them to the side and push up. Tap, 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 tap. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I know you love the video, so leave the comment, share, and if you are new here, click the subscribe button and also the bell icon for the next video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.